All right, we're gonna start on the back. I'm gonna show you what, these are pretty easy. Got a bolt here, and there's a nut on the back, so probably have to put a wrench on that. And we'll go down here. Well, maybe. Get on the ground. I did think I found my coolant leak, but right there is the bottom one. Pretty simple process. Got her all jacked up and all safe with jack stands. So we're gonna get started on this. So I'm gonna find out what sizes these are and let you guys know. So we'll get to it. The front's a 15, the back I'm not for sure, so we'll have to figure that one out. But you got a 15, and then we'll find out what's on the back. And I got my fingers in the way. I'll try to get this without getting in the way, but that wrench on the back side is an 18 millimeter. So we're going to get started here, get with the impact, and see if we can get this loose. Ah! Oh wow, that was easy. That was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. Okay. I don't know how well I can get you to the bottom, but we'll try. Lower the tripod a little bit. See if I can get you back in here. Whoa. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see down there. Let's see. There we are. Got you right there. Hopefully these bottom ones are the same. And I bumped you. Damn it. Bumped you with my compressor hose. Get that out of the way. There. There we are. And remember, these you'll want to put blue Loctite on because these are nylon. See the nylon insert? So make sure you put Loctite on these too. Oh, down to the bottom. All right. Yep, this one's 18.2. So, close this one off real quick. Maybe. Good Lord. All right, here we go. And we're done. All right. And out it comes. Oh, wow. Well, they're still halfway decent. Not bad for 140,000 miles. Normally, they're trashed. We'll see how the new ones are. Okay. Oh, that noise scared me. It was the shock popping back out. Okay. We'll get the top bolt in. I'll go get the blue Loctite. I got it around here somewhere. Put the blue Loctite on this one. I really do wish I had a lift. This would be so much easier. Okay, we got that. Where'd the lid go? There it is. Okay. Oh, wow. Well, guys, these are a lot better. Holy cow. Hopefully I'm able to push these back in. Oh, man. Oh, wow. Whew. Buddy. Guess I should have brought my hammer with me. Ouch. Wow. Well, those are definitely new. Let me get the hammer. Little persuasion from Thor's hammer. And we're in. Hopefully you guys can still see this. We got that one started. And we're going to torque it to factory spec. That on there. Okay, we got that one in there. Now we have an annoying noise from the air compressor. Okay, got our Loctite already set. No hammer needed on that one. Get our nuts started. Okay. Pull this out from under here. Okay. Now we are good to go. And all right. There we go. Yeah. All right. We're in, we're good. All right. Now the other side's the same way. So, all right guys, we're done. The other side's the same way. Just do the same thing and you're good to go. You guys have a wonderful and great day, and I'll catch you later.